Hacienda. It is my favorite season, the beginning of the hatch pepper season. Hatch peppers, for those of you who do not know, come from the Hatch Valley in New Mexico. Tens of millions of years ago, the Hatch Valley was formed by volcanoes that deposited hundreds of feet of volcano lava. And then over the next several 100,000 years, it became an alluvial plain from the Rio Grande, depositing all kinds of silt and soil. So currently, the Hatch Valley, which is about 3 or 4 square miles, is rich loam, acidic, and perfectly suited to grow these hatch peppers. Due to its unique climate and soil, they taste like no other pepper anywhere on the planet. And if you haven't tried one, you can order them online. They are delicious. They're mild, medium, and hot. You can get them in 3 ways. They're slightly smoky. They have an underlying sweetness, and they're toasty tasting, believe it or not. They're just unique and delicious. So I'm going to make a recipe utilizing these lovely peppers, and this recipe is going to be ravioli with corn and hatch peppers. Now that sounds disgusting, and I will admit that that sounded very weird when I heard of it, corn and ravioli. But apparently it's a thing. It is out there with hundreds of different variations. So I'm going to jazz it up and put hatch peppers in it, so let's get cooking. Here's that set of wonderful ingredients, so let's get prepping. In a greased enameled pan, we're going to put in 1 can of creamed corn, along with 1.5 cups of frozen corn, and Italian seasoning, salt and pepper, and 1/2 cup of heavy whipping cream. Mixed up well, 3 seeded hatch chili peppers. By the way, these were the mild hatch peppers. And now a 20-ounce bag of ricotta and spinach ravioli. Nicely sauced and happy, we're going to cover them into a 375 Fahrenheit degree oven for 25 minutes. 25 minutes in the oven covered at 375. They're looking really good and it smells delightful. Let's add some grated Parmesan cheese, shall we? On top of that Parmesan cheese, we're going to put some butter, 6 pats, in any way, shape, or form you want. And then it's going back in the oven, uncovered, for about 10 minutes. Alright, more like 20 minutes in the oven uncovered. It's bubbly and slightly browning on top. And let me tell you folks, this smells really, really good. Yeah, let's let it cool down a bit before we eat it. Okay, the moment of truth. Let it rest for about 10 minutes. And here it is on a plate. I think it will firm up more as it gets cooler. But right now it still looks good. Gooey. Let's try it. We got the ricotta and spinach ravioli. Well, Rana brand is always good. That is very tasty. But the sauce around it is delightful. Wow. And I'll say this about that, folks. I had my doubts, but ravioli and corn go hand in hand. Wow. That is delicious. Yeah. Okay. Let's try some with the hatch chili peppers. It is hatch chili season. Late August through beginning of October. Don't miss out. That is spectacular. That hatch chili pepper cooked down brings out the sweetness, pairs with the corn very well, of course. Wow, yeah. And the Parmesan, my goodness. This is beauty, hand in hand. I will make this again. Perfect for work lunches. I'm going to put a link in the notes below of a farm in Hatch Valley, New Mexico, where I buy my fresh Hatch chilies by the case every year. Check them out. You don't have to buy a full case. Thanks for watching.